Hey guys, this is Michelle of Michelle's Cozy Kitchen, bringing you a video on how to clean and season chicken. And guys, this is how we do it in the Caribbean. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for new video uploads. Let's get to it, guys. So, place the chicken in a container of fresh water. Add the juice of 1 to 2 limes and let it sit for about 20 minutes if it is thawed out. However, if it is frozen, you will need to let it sit for a longer period of time until it is completely thawed. Now, I know some of you are asking yourself, why isn't she using vinegar? However, I've used both vinegar and lime juice, and I find that the lime juice works a lot better at cleaning the chicken, that is removing the slime, than vinegar. Just have a look at this water that these chicken have been soaking in. I will show you how to clean drumsticks. There is a yellowish skin at the end of the bone that needs to be removed. Also, there is fat and skin. You can either choose to leave the skin or remove it. In this video, I am leaving the skin. These can be removed by using a knife. If you notice also, I have sliced the drumsticks. This is done to allow the seasoning to go through them quicker. After cleaning the chicken, rinse them a few times in fresh water and make sure they are completely drained. Or place them into a separate container and let's start the seasoning process. Guys, have you ever tasted Caribbean cooking? Well, do you know that the key to those delicious dishes is the seasoning? Being a gem of the Caribbean, that is something that has stuck with me, and so I try to ensure that my dishes are well seasoned. I am using 3 tablespoons of Badia Complete Seasoning, half of a teaspoon cayenne pepper, 3 tablespoons of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 3 tablespoons of paprika, 1/2 of an onion chopped, and 5 cloves of garlic grated. Sprinkle some of the seasoning over the entire surface of the chicken, making sure they are completely covered. Then you're going to take the pan and toss it, flipping the chicken over so that the other parts of the chicken are also covered with the seasoning as shown in the video. Now add the rest of the seasoning to the chicken. You may find that you may need to add a little bit more. However, just a word of caution, the adobo all-purpose seasoning is a bit salt, so you may not need to add any more of that one. However, don't forget to add the onions and grate in the garlic. Once that is done, then you would toss the chicken a few times to make sure that they are completely covered with the seasoning. If you're going to cook the chicken the same day, set it aside for about 40 to 45 minutes. However, if you're going to cook it the following day, like I normally do, set it in your refrigerator overnight. I hope you've enjoyed this video. So from my cozy kitchen to yours, thanks for viewing.